In this video, I am going to explain how to write a CNC part program for circular interpolation by using the IZ method. Now let us see that here I want to make the contour of this shape. This is a circular shape like this. There is a two circles I want to make. For this, write a code. Let us see that G21 metric units and G94 feet per minute, and wherever the tool is there, first send to the home portion, for which we are going the incremental mode G91 and G28. First send the tool to the home portion, then send the workpiece or table to the home portion X0, Y0. Then tool change M06 T01, that is the tool change. Then spindle starts rotating M03 with a speed, let us 1150 as 1150. Okay. Now I can bring the tool to the tool entry point. Now the controller is in the relative mode. I can change to the absolute mode, for which I will give the code G90. Then fast traverse movement G00. Let us horizon point taken as a entry point X0, Y0, just 5 mm above the workpiece, that Z 5 mm. This is the tool entry point I defined. Then enter the tool inside the workpiece, 2 mm depth of cut I am defined. So G01 and Z minus 2 with a feed 85. So with this feed, the tool will cut the workpiece. Okay. So now let us see that here I want to make this circular contour. Okay, start from this horizon, this circular contour I want to make. So this circular contour in a clockwise direction. So for the clockwise direction, the G code is G02. G02, okay, and end point here, the starting point and end point are same horizon X0, Y0. Already X0, Y0 is entered, so you need not mention the end point coordinates. Directly go for the I and J value. Here I is shifting from this starting point to the center of the circle. For example, we want this curvature of radius 50, so from this center is shifted 50, so that means I here from this it's towards right, it's a positive, so that is I50 and J0. So this is the simple code you can use and you can write the circle. Okay, then once this code, this contour of this shape is completed. Next I want continuation with this shape also. Now from this point it's moving in a counterclockwise direction, so then I will enter G03, and here also I value is negative, shifting the center from starting point in a negative direction with a radius 50 mm. So that is I minus 50 J0. Okay, so this contour also completed. Okay, then you can shift the tool to the above the workpiece, that G01 Z5, then spindle sent to the home portion, that G28 Z0, then X0, Y0. Okay. Then M05 spindle stop and M30 program and rewind. So this is the simple program required to make this contour milling. Now let us see that. Cycle start. Okay, now you can see that tool will start from this. The first right circle is completed, next second right circle is completed. Okay, so this is the simple part program we are using to make this shape. Okay, suppose I want this contour. Okay, so that is here in earlier this one is in the X direction, now you can use in the Y direction. Okay, just little bit change the program. This entire program is up to the starting point, the tool entry point is same. Now you can use here, let us use this one. So now you can see that from here this upper circle, upper contour milling is movement of the tool in counterclockwise direction, that is required G03. Then the bottom is clockwise direction G02. So now you can use this upper one is G03, and here the I value is 0, J value is only changes. Upper J value is positive, lower J value is negative. Okay, so now here I value make it 0, I will make it 0, and J value, the top one is a positive J. So because from here the center is shifted in upward direction, the positive Y direction, so J50, and bottom one is in the clockwise direction, so J02. Here you can change the G02, and I here also I is 0, and J is minus 50. J is minus 50. This little changes is enough to make this shape of the contour. Now let us verify. Before that, just close this one, erase. Now you can see that cycle start. Now the upper circle is completed, then bottom circle is completed. Okay, so like that you can use the simple ISA method to perform the required shape of the circular interpolations. Thank you.